Today we're going to practice weighing a solid. If your solid is powdered or crystallized, it's not easy to place on a scale and remove without making a mess. I'm going to use baking soda as my example, and the tools we'll need, besides our digital balance, are a weigh boat and a scoopula. Using a weigh boat is very helpful to contain what you are measuring while you take its mass and while you carry it back to your lab station. But your mass will not be correct if you don't use the tare or zero function first. I'm going to first turn on my balance. It says 0, everything looks good. Now, add my weigh boat. As we can see, the weigh boat has a mass. So it's reading 2.13 grams right now. If I add my solid to this, I will not have the mass of the solid. I have to push this 0 button. This one says on 0. Other similar scales might just say 0 or might say tare, T-A-R-E. Tearing or zeroing your balance tells it to completely ignore whatever is sitting on it and reset to 0. Now I'm ready to add my baking soda. For the experiment that I will do, I need 10 grams. So I'm going to start by carefully adding a small amount just so I can get an idea. That was 1.72 grams. I'm going to need a lot more. I add pretty quickly until I get close to the amount that I need. $10.09. That looks great. I have some extra left on my scoopula, but I'm not going to return it to my container. This container has not been used for anything and might be used for other experiments. If I put this back in, it could be contaminated while I was taking it out and using it, and I would contaminate the whole supply. So instead, if I have any extra, I just place it in the trash. Now you know how to use the tare button or 0 button so that you're not measuring the weigh boat, but only getting the mass of the solid.